Yo, what is going on, everybody? It is Tristan, and today in this video I have a pretty requested topic. I'm going to be getting into the MANIERE 5. We got two colorways. We got the black colorway and we also got the dawn colorway, and basically these two going to kind of discuss the resale value for them. While I do, and I'm just going to say this right off the bat, I do mostly think this is a personal sneaker. Whenever you start getting into some of the more general models like 4s, 5s, 1s, you really start getting the sneakers that Nike can and will produce more of. So
on my phone right now editing this video. Don't forget to subscribe and like down below. I completely forgot to say it, but let's try to 200 likes on this video. Let's continue.
That's kind of what I'm going to discuss in this video. It's like, there's probably going to be a lot of these, so I'll discuss what we'll potentially see with resale value, but it does not knock the fact that they are popular. So let's continue. But if you guys want more content like this, you can check my Instagrams, always posting kicks, stuff like that here, y'all can see. So go show your boy some love. If you want to ever buy some stuff I'm selling in my story, just had a ton of type boosts for sale recently. You guys killed it, bought a lot of that, so I don't got any more for sale. You know, I'll have more soon. But yeah, you can also check my friend and I's group down below. We've been doing undermarket type boost SBs also. You guys can see some examples of that. So if you want to win undermarket type boost, that is what we do, and we have a giveaway coming for this pair very, very soon for members as well. So, and also a $350 bonus going on in the group. You could make a free $350 right now just by doing this little bonus. It's covered up right here, but if you join, you'll get access to that, and I did this, made a free $350 yesterday. So yeah, if you're on the wait list, you'll get access to all that. It's a ton, and you'll get in within 24 hours. So I hope to see you guys there. You can really start cooking with us and level up, and even just, you know, tons of free flips, learn how to stay more in the loop. And yeah, I hope y'all will enjoy. Let's get started. So first things first, we do have the MANIERE 5 Dawn colorway, and then of course the black colorway right here. Now, you might be asking which one is doing better and which one is more popular right now. I would say it would be the black colorway. You look at the current prices, there is a major difference between the two right now. I mean, and these just dropped yesterday, and you can see the current prices again. The retail price was $225 plus after like ship, EQL fee. If you entered via EQL draw, I think it was around $250, $260. So most are still profitable, most sizes at the moment. However, one thing I want to say is once pairs of these start landing, a lot of retailers start dropping them, potentially a sneakers release, like once we start seeing things like that for this pair, it is going to tank the price up. Me personally, I see these dropping right to around retail price. Right now, they are selling for a lot because most people do not have their pair in hand. But once more people start getting their pair in hand from the recent MANIERE drop, and again, once the black colorway drops, and then once they do sneakers releases, I just see the prices for these dropping because no way, at least in my opinion, I think these are low stock. I think they have a lot of these made because they can make a lot of money off this collaboration. It's Jordan 5, so it's a model people want. They're good colorways, and also it's not hard for Nike to make Jordan 5s at all. I mean, we see a few Jordan 5 colorways a year. It's a regular thing. So, I mean, at least for something popular like this, I think they would make a little bit more of them. But again, they could be trying to keep it on the limited side. I just don't think that was the case though, because they were, I mean, I've never had this, never. And they were sent, like EQL was sending me invites to enter the draw. I've never gotten that before with all the bricks, all the sneakers I've entered on EQL for. I've never had it say, hey, do you want to enter? Hey, you want to enter? Do you want a pair? I was like, whoa, hey, I've never gotten that. Why does it want me to enter so bad? That's really what I was thinking. So again, I know it's obviously not that because maybe the sneaker will end up being limited, but I mean, you can probably tell right now based off you know, the site drop not being too difficult to grab yesterday, and also off the amount of backdoors we saw for this pair. I mean, there was people with 50 pairs of these, some people with like hundreds in just a certain size. Like I know a guy that has 50, yes, 50, I think 43 right now, 43 left, but he's 43 9.5s, 43. Like 43 pairs. I'm not saying like 43 across different sizes. I'm talking 43 pairs of the same size of these. So I'm just saying, I think the back door is very open for the sneaker, but I also just see it, you know, dropping in price. Because realistically, like look at this, y'all. Look at this, y'all. $1,000, really? Do we think any of these are gonna sell for $1,000? I mean, let's be honest. There's no way someone is gonna pay $1,000 for MANIERE 5s. I'm just going to be honest. Yeah, $450 is probably the highest. I mean, like you would have to be a huge Jordan 5 fan or just have a lot of money and not really care. Because I wouldn't be paying that much money for these, especially when the drop's in a week. the drops in a week. They'll be down in price almost guaranteed. So for anyone asking me, just me personally, what I think about the sneaker, I think the best move is pre-selling it. If you hit a pair and you're trying to sell them, I would try and do it early. Me personally, I'd be going for, that StockX label scan. We also got that down below. But really, I'd recommend just trying to sell this one before you get the pairs in or before everyone else gets theirs, because once all the releases start happening, a sneakers drop, may load up, things like that, it's going to tank the price. And also, if we start seeing these at a couple outlets, like we've seen on my MANIERE collaborations at outlets before, it's not impossible, right? So I'm just saying we could see it with these. While there is a little bit more hype for these 5s than an ordinary one, I just think there's going to be a lot of them, and that's there's going to be more sellers than buyers. That's what I personally see happening for this shoe, and yeah, that's going to cause the price to drop. So me personally, I think you can wait to buy these a little bit. Which colorway do I like more? I'm honestly a bigger fan of the black colorway. I have seen a lot of people that are really rocking with the Dawn one. I mean, they're doing well. I mean, you can see 220 sales in 3 days, so they're popular. The drop was yesterday. I mean, it was something simple and kind of low-key, the little drop yesterday. I mean, I wasn't even really paying attention to it. I know we pinged it down below. We're letting people know, but this wasn't a shoe I was really going for. It's not, something for my collection, not my style. But yeah, you can see, I think even the prices rose a little bit yesterday. That's a little bit surprising, but I don't think, or that's just one sale. But yeah, we're gonna have to wait for the sneakers drop, wait for pairs to land before I can really say how well these will do. But me personally, I don't think it's a major flip. That's just what I'm saying. And same with these. I mean, I think there's a good drop on the way. I think it's a great personal. Realistically, this and bigger sizes might be able to flip. I do think like a black Jordan 5, this is something that people want. So I could see this one, maybe the bigger size is doing a little bit better. But aside from that, I mean, it's a pretty base. I mean, they did good with the collab. I like the details on it. It's not like it's a bad looking shoe. It's just it's not really a super popular model, and I think it's more or less one that you'd be able to grab for a little bit less if you just wanted it for the collection. So hold this sneaker, in my opinion, no. Unless you've got a lot of time in your, like a long time, like I just wouldn't be holding this shoe. I think there's better options. And me personally, I would just be looking to sell this one and get ready for the next drops. We got tons of Kobe's on the way, and stay tuned, man. We got the reverse Grinch review on the way. I was able to find my size, so I might do a little hooping in those, something like that. We'll see, but stay tuned on the channel here. We got the reverse Grinch review on the way. I know you guys, there's not many reviews of those on YouTube, so I'm gonna go in depth. And yes, we got the box too. We're not buying no box pairs out here. You think I'm crazy? Come on now. All right, let's just wrap this up. Keep it simple. If y'all want to check my Instagrams, any of that down below. If you've been here, you're probably tuned in. I'm posting my story like every single day. I do a regular post every couple days. So you just want to see what's up with the kicks game. Stay in the loop. Check it out here. And also HYPELABS. If you really want to stay in the loop, like actual like information, pings, undermarket sneakers, giveaways, check that out here. Don't miss out. You can really start upping your resale game, scaling that up, taking it to the next level, because that's what we show you how to do. You can see everything that is offered here, and you won't be missing out on anything. That's what I can say. We definitely help bring the source to you, and of course the giveaway that we have coming very, very soon for this pair right here, man. Literally this pair right here, like the one in my room right here. So if y'all want to win a pair of Type Booth SBs, just join the waitlist. You will be entered, and that's it. You just gotta join the waitlist, and you'll be entered into a Type Booth SB giveaway, which will be coming very, very soon. So don't miss out on that. But that's it. I'm Tristan. I'm gonna end that screen recording, and hopefully I do catch you guys in the next video. Let me know which one of these you rock with more, the Dawn colorway, the black colorway. Me personally, I'm rocking with the black colorway a little bit more if I had to choose one to wear. But I'm still gonna be passing on both because they're just not a flip, and I'd rather, if I'm not really gonna be flipping them, then I'd rather just, someone that wants to grab a personal, be able to do that, So that's it. Thank you guys, and I will catch you all in the next video coming soon. Peace.
Sticks made a bucket hit.